Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back. How's it going? How was your trading day? Was it great? I bet you it was great. It was pretty sweet today, actually. It kind of took me for a ride for a minute, but that's okay. Some confidence was built, and yeah, I might have moved my stop loss up a little bit too early on the first maneuver. I took a partial and then moved it up right away, and it booped me. She binked me right there and then dumped. I was able to catch a long off of this guy and took it right up to here and took a partial, and then one the remaining came back at me. I was given it this opportunity. It looked like it was going to run from here, and it did momentarily, so I was aiming for the previous day's high on that one, but offside, but still profitable. I was really looking for this area here. This was given last night. It would be sweet if we can make our way down into there. It looks like we're going to do it tomorrow or Wednesday, so I'd be pretty happy with that. So have this be the low of the month and try and catch a higher low this week. And then start running into that price point there. I think we had another one as well. Yeah, right there. 24,423. So still on side for the move. Now, this fair value gap I have annotated here. And this one here, I would like to see price down into here tomorrow or Wednesday, and then we can get on our journey. Do we have to touch this? No. It'd be cool if we did, but we don't have to. It is kind of deep. In my opinion, it would be better if we didn't lose this. And we just kind of made the higher low in the trend, if we're going to blast off. So we still got rate cuts coming. And FOMC's like, man, it can do some weird things then. So let's take a peeky poo. What happened? We had midnight do diddly squat for London. Great. And then London lunch, basically nothing. Pretty cool. And then right at our time, price drops down, rips up, and that was pretty sweet. Did our model right here. See, it's showing strength overall. So it is showing strength. It's just not ready yet. Oh, and there's the open. And we have a vacuum block to the upside. Wow, okay. Well, still bullish, but I'll invite a dip. So this buy side liquidity pool was from the PM session in the members area this afternoon. We did a little hangout. And this is essentially what I was aiming for before a dirty drop. Now this fair value gap here comes from, I believe, the 5 minute. Yes, the 5 minute. And the reason why it's purple is because I don't know. I don't have an expectation on it. It was kind of my support and resistance level. And when I shut it down, it ended up breaking down here and tapping that low there. So if you remember, that was the price point on the daily chart. That's this candle here. Okay, so that, just keep in mind that that's the, you could call it a breaker. It's whatever. It's an order block. But in the 5 minute here, how it snapped down, fell shy of it by like a few ticks. This white fair value gap, it's inefficiency in the 1 minute, comes up, leaves the equal highs, totally bait, comes and snaps down. Now, I annotated this in the PM session. That was the the line in the sand for if we were gonna start running for this fair value gap below the market. Well, son of a gun, she makes a swing low and order blocks herself all the way back up for the end of the day, peters around, and then here we are running toward the target. So in my opinion, I would like to see one more dip, but we don't have to. She could be in turbo mode, and I would totally invite that. So let's check out our daily chart. Get rid of the mess. Now, I'm going to leave this one on just because I'm going to be aiming for previous day's high. We have found sensitivity here already once, a few times. So I like that. This wick basically is going to be our support and resistance. Above bullish, looking for a long, below bearish, looking to attack the discount tail here. So far, bullish bias intact. Now we did have that weird price point above the market. That one. So basically, when we start ripping into the buy stops, how far does it want to extend before a retracement? And what time does it do it? That's very important. I know if you're new with me, you're thinking, oh, it's never going to make a new all-time high. Well, that looks like it's going to rip. I'm actually really excited, because this means our alt season will come. And so yeah, this is the price points I'm looking at. If we start losing, and I know we're way up here, and I hate doing this, but this is kind of my line in the sand. I'll let it wiggle in throughout here for the next 2 weeks. Even if it pokes up here, even if it pokes down here a bit, I'll still let it wiggle in here. So I don't really have a line in the sand at the moment. And this should come as no surprise, because this is our last week of, okay, what information do we get for our ride into September? So don't force nothing. These lines on my chart, it's not hard lined. Okay, it's just something I'd like to see materialize, and if it does, then great, we're on side. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.